So the next question is, consider the change in the oxidation state of bromine corresponding to different EMF value as shown in the below diagram. So BrO4 minus is converted to 1.82 volt BrO3 minus, then 1.5 HrBO, then 1.595 Br2, then 1.0652 Br minus. So we have to find out the correct undergoing disproportionation. Br2, Br2O4 minus, BrO3 minus, BrO, HBrO. So now look at this answer. HBrO will disproportionate to BrO3 minus and Br2. Reverse equation. So it is one, two equation. Then we have to equate them. The value, then positive value of net cell reaction indicate the overall cell reaction is spontaneous. So it is spontaneous. So HBrO is the correct answer. So answer 4 is correct. Thank you.